Let's learn how you can change your Steam account password. So welcome back to another simple video everyone. We'll show you exactly how to change your Steam password quickly and securely. Whether you're looking to update your password for improved account security or simply want to refresh your login credentials, we've got you covered. The first step is to open Steam on your PC or laptop and make sure you are logged in. The next step is to click on your username at the top right and then tap on this Account Details button. You'll get to a page that looks like this, and you have to make sure that the Account Details button is selected at the left side of the screen. Now scroll a little bit down until you can see the Account Security section on the page, and we'll have two different options in here. You will see the Manage Steam Guard button and Change My Password. Click on the Change My Password button and we can continue to the next step. We will have two different options on this page. The first one is for them to email us a verification code, and the second option is for all of you that don't have access to their email accounts. So if you forgot your email password and can't access that specific email that is related to your Steam account, then you want to click on that. And they'll ask you to enter some information about your account so that they can verify it's you, and then you'll be able to change your password. But let's go back to the previous page, and I'll select the option for them to send me the verification code in my email. The code should be in our mailbox now, so I'll check my mail. Now when you enter the verification code into this box, I will be able to change my Steam account password. So that's it for this video, guys. If this was helpful, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.